Volume decreases when you mix 100 milliliters of yellow Everclear with 100 milliliters of colorless water. Yep, that's about 4 milliliters less than it was. But like, can I get my water back though? Can I get the total volume of water back out of this with salt? For the commenters saying that you can't salt ethanol out of water, watch this. Potassium carbonate absolutely can. Don't blink. It dissolves in the water and pulls the water out of the ethanol. Colorless water later, because potassium carbonate will salt ethanol out of water. But the salt will also add volume to this situation. A gram of potassium carbonate takes up about 0.4 milliliters of volume in this graduated cylinder. I measured the volume of the stir bar too, just to be precise. See, the amount of liquid it displaces equals the volume. Shout out to Archimedes, I think. I don't know how much salt I'm gonna need though, so I'm just gonna start with about 100 grams, and yeah, we'll just wait a cup after to see how much I use. Now I gotta go slow, because if I try to add all of this at once, it won't dissolve. It'll just like cake gross at the bottom and this won't work. I love the way that looks though, when it just like globs up. It's snatching the water up. It's starting to separate. That's just straight alcohol at the top. Or mostly straight alcohol. There's probably still a little bit of water in there, but yeah. Let's see. How much water do we have? 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. All right, we're close. We're getting there. We got it. 100 mils of water. Salt it out. Let's see how much this weighs. 40.57 grams left. It took 59.43 grams of salt. Bet. So potassium carbonate has a density 2.43 grams per milliliter. 59.51 grams of potassium carbonate used. Do our dimensional analysis. That's 224.5 milliliters. Does not equal the 220 milliliters that we got. Something doesn't add up. Why I got more alcohol than I started with? There must just still be water in the alcohol. I guess I'm just gonna add more salt until I get 100 mils of alcohol. Wait, 232. We did it! We did it! We got all 100 mils of alcohol back! We did it! We did it! Took all 100 grams of salt, which is about 41 milliliters of salt, mind you, but got all 100 milliliters of ethanol back. Curious. There's 130 milliliters in this water layer here. So that must mean that salt solutions also contract. Fascinating.